Hi lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you the simple Ghanaian Indomie instant noodles recipe with you all. This is a popular Ghanaian street food, and trust me, you are definitely going to love it at the end of this video. And so if today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Sophia. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Now let's get started. To start with this Indomie instant noodles, I'll start by introducing my vegetables. So for vegetables, I'll be using some green pepper, carrots, onions, and also cabbage. And for the proteins, you can also go in with any protein of choice. For this recipe, I'm going to be using eggs and also sausage. So you can also use beef, chicken, or any protein at all. Feel free to use it, all right? So now let's start by prepping the vegetables. So I'll start by prepping the cabbage first, followed by the carrots. Next, I'll also prep my green pepper. For the green pepper, you can also use any other type of green pepper that you want, or you can use any vegetable at all of your choice. Moving forward, I'll also prep my onions and I will set it aside. So that is all for the veggies. For the protein, as I said, I'm going to be using sausages, and you can also prep it in any type or any shapes that you want. This is just perfect for me, so I'll go for this circle or this round shapes. All right, next I'll also be using my Indomie instant noodles. I'm using the chicken flavor. You can also go in with the onion flavor, any flavor at all. Feel free to use it. So moving forward to a pot, I'll go in with my water, which I'll be using it to cook my Indomie. And I will not add in any oil to the water. I'll be using just the water to cook the Indomie. So now let's cover it, allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. After extra 5 minutes, the water is ready. So I'll go in with my 2 packs of Indomie instant noodles. I'll also be using Oba spaghetti as well, but for now, let me just cook the Indomie for you to see how I always do cook my Indomie instant noodles. So after extra 2 minutes, I will check on it, stir very well, and allow it to cook for extra 2 minutes or 1 minute. Indomie instant noodles doesn't take a lot of time to cook. Approximately 3 to 5 minutes, it should be ready. And as you can see, it's looking all perfect and very soft. So I'll set it aside and proceed to the next stage. Moving forward to a heated pan, I'll go in with some cooking oil. Use any cooking oil of your choice. I'll also go in with my chopped sausages. Allow it to fry until it turns into very crispy texture, or it turns into a little bit of golden brown, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. Afterwards, I will set it aside, and to that same pot, I'll crack in 1 egg. You can also use any amount of eggs that you want, but 1 egg is just enough for this recipe, alright? I will stir very well until the egg become very scrambled, alright? Alright, so after getting the perfect scrambled egg, I'll go in with my veggies, which I'll be going in with the onions, carrots, cabbage, and also the green pepper. I will stir very well and allow the veggies to loosen up a little bit. Remember not to overcook your veggies if you love a little bit of crunch in your veggies. As for me, I love a little bit of crunch in it, so I won't stir fry this for a long time. So afterwards, I'll go in with a little bit of salt. This is totally to my taste, all right? You can omit the salt part if you don't want to. I'll also go in with a little bit of sardine to enhance the taste of these veggies as well. Allow it to fry on low medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes, and afterwards you need to check if the taste is okay for you. And at this point, since the Indomie pack comes with these spices, I'll go in with one of the pack. And afterwards I'll stir fry again for about 1 minute, and the veggies should be okay for us to go in with our indomie. All right. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to this channel, baby, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after adding in the indomie, I went in with some powdered pepper to make it more spicy and very hot. I also added in the extra 1 pack of the indomie spices. If you don't really love that spices, you can as well omit it and use your own spices of your choice. Now stir everything together just the way you see it on the screens right now. And afterwards I'll also go in with my sausages or any protein of your choice. And as you can see, the indomie is looking all delicious and palatable already. I'll stir for about 1 minute and it should be ready. So now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this street style indomie instant noodles recipe, and I will be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.